You know me already, Jamaican shore fishing. Anything's possible. We gotta try any and everywhere. So let's get this lure out and see what we can pick up right here. Lucy Town, guys. Nothing there yet. Got the car running, phone charging. Fish on, guys. Woo! Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Woo! We got him. Where you going, buddy? A barra this morning. I told you I was hunting a barra this morning, guys. Let's get him out here. Woo hoo! Hey hey. Got him this morning, guys. That is it. Told you guys I was on a hunt this morning. Look at that. Haha. Barra. That is it, guys. Yeah, guys. That is it. That is it, guys. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah. Just murder him, look what I seen it. You did know. But me I go up the line. I see if I can pick up two more. No, take me no time still. I'll get my bug. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Let's get you over here. Ow! And make sure you secure it and hook your first, you know. One of them flashing on your hand are trouble, you know. One of them flashing on my hand already, you know, man. You see what I'm showing you, window? Alright, say ah. Say ah. Come on, man. See what I know. Alright, you did know. Alright, I'll give you one more cast, guys. I wanted there, so. Well, I'll go up the line still and see if I pick up nothing up the line. Check out my YouTube channel here. Yeah. Called Jamaican Shore Fishing. S-U-R-E. Alright. Hey guys, so Just killed one barrow a while ago. The barrow's in the cooler. One barrow down, one more to go. See if we can pick up no more barrows this morning. Fish on, guys. Woo! Haha! Look at this. Yo, guys, look. Check it out, guys. Got another one for you guys. Tap up that screen, guys. Tap up the screen. Barrow on the line. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen, guys. Tap up that screen. Live and direct. Jamaican shore fishing. You got you a barrow. You see? I'll stop me. I'll stop the while and hold one barrow the while. No. Yeah, man. Two that in the cooler so far. This is a small one still, but him dead. Dead in the water. I'm not going back in there today. Him dead off. Alright. So, I knew there was one around here someplace. But we're going to cast down further and see if we can pick up another one. Ooh, that is it, guys. So we do. We run the coast and let's pick up fish. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I just passed this spot a while ago. I was passing by and I said, let me give this a shot right here real quick. See if I might pick up a mangrove snapper or something. I don't know. Let's see what's up. Who knows? I might pick up a mangrove or maybe a barrow. Who knows? See if anything's gonna pass by. Let's go this way in the shadows. Get him down there. Hold on. Cool, huh? Yeah, I was just... Normally I'm all the way around on the point, you know. I walk through in there and I go all the way out to the point and I fish out there. There's some nice fish in here. Nice snooks, nice barra, tarpons, all kinds of different fish in here. Mangrove snappers especially. To them thing that I just picked up 2 barrows a while ago. Yeah, so I was just going home and I said, let me see if I can pick one more up. Yeah, man, I know. You see all this lure, yeah? What's all them spot all the lure? If them spot this lure, them dead. Look how I swim. All them want to do is spot it one time, you know. See that silver on it, that glitter? Yeah, that's all they want to see. One time. They're dead. Fish on. Got him. Barra. Ooh! Make him go on, make him go on, make him go on, make him go on. You get with this time. You gotta wait this time. Let's see if you're that bold enough. He got away, he got away. It's his lucky day today. His lucky day today. I told you, that's all they want to do is see it, bro. Check out my YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube, alright? I do lure fishing. This is all the fishing. This is the type of fishing I do. All the fish and lure. You see, because I know saying I shade. I shade them and hide on the sun. They don't like the sun hot. They like shade. They like under these docks, under the boat. Anyway they're structured, that's how they like to hang out. Anywhere structured them, man. You see, why you think I cast in front of the dock a while ago? Because I know there's going to be one of them hanging out over there someplace. Hey guys, remember the barrow that got away from me the other day right here? Same spot. See if we can find him. If he's still here. I'm pretty late in the morning already. I don't know if I'm going to pick anything else up this morning. Just wanted to try this spot real quick, guys, see if I can pick anything up around this reef. Nothing. Nothing so far, guys. One more cast here and move down the line. Long jaw chased it. Nothing. We'll move down here. We came from there. Move down here a little bit. These rocks are always promising right here because the reef is so close by. Fish on. Oh, guys. Fish on, guys. Another one. Stay on, baby. Got him. Woo, woo. It fell off right on land. BTS. You ain't going nowhere. Oh, fuck. Shit, guys. We're getting this fish out of here today. You're not getting away from me today. I don't care. But you're not getting away today. Whew. Holy shit. That was a fight. You're not getting away today, buddy. I almost broke my goddamn rod again. Fighting for barra today. Whew. Let's get our grip tool out. Say for daddy. Let's get you hold on. Whew. Holy shit, guys. He almost got away from me. I'm gonna wash my hands off. Get him rinsed off. He can't get away again. Get my hands cleaned off. And my tool, that's all rawed up now. Yeah, he's so green. Holy shit. I knew there was one out there, guys. Look at him. This one's for you, Mo Dog. Haha. Barracuda. I am the Barra King of Jamaica, guys. That is it. Hand on line. Here. Rod on line. Come on. Let's go. I am the barra hunter, guys. That is it. Oh my god. I lost one earlier. Now I come back and I get this one. Let's get you up there. One more down, guys. That is it. Whew. On there with you, bro. 4 barras so far today, guys, and 1 got away. Holy hell. Alright, we're gonna move down the line. I might have to change this wire lead, it's all bent up. Yeah, this wire lead got bent up on this last catch. That's 4 barras so far today, guys. On line and on rod and reel. And that's what we came out to hunt today, strictly barras, nothing else. Just to show you that it's not a buck up in a thing. This is not a guess game. This is not a buck up in a game. This is a straight catch game. That is it. We no buck up in it.